Daniel here with Martin Kia to go over some helpful tips and tricks for your new Kia vehicle. Today we have a 2019 Kia Optima SX, and we're going to be going over where the trunk, gas, and hood latches are on this car. If you come over here, it's very simple to find. All of the buttons you're looking for, minus the hood, are going to be right here on the left of the steering column. The gas one obviously releases the gas cap back there. And the trunk button is going to release your trunk. And then down here near the foot pedals is going to be your trunk or your hood release. And that is going to release your hood, obviously. All right, guys, that was pretty much it. The buttons are going to be located pretty much in the same locations for a lot of vehicles in the Kia lineup. I'm sure we'll be doing videos in the future on Fortes, Souls, Tellurides, to give you the locations on those. In the meantime, if you did learn something from this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.